How to customize subtitles on Hulu. Hey guys, in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can easily customize your subtitles on Hulu. The first thing you're going to have to do is log into hulu.com. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Now select any show that you want to customize your subtitle on. Now let's say if you're watching something, just go ahead and play it out. So for example, The Big Bang Theory here, tap on Start Watching and then play a video. Now, once you start playing, you'll find the gear icon to adjust your video settings at the bottom right corner of your screen. Just tap on it. And once you get to the settings, you'll find the subtitles and the audio settings. Tap on the pop-up for subtitles, and you'll find your subtitles turn on or off. If you want English subtitles, select that. And then in order to customize it furthermore, you can tap on the settings menu. Tap on the settings icon, and then you should be able to change different colors to your caption, change its background as well as its fonts. You could also change the font size from here and adjust it according to your preference. So that's how you basically customize subtitles on Hulu. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.